All right, let's quick head to week 5. So I haven't graded your discussions yet, but again, this week you guys are very active in there. Tons of good initial posts and tons of good responses too. So keep up the good work. There is a few of you though that I'm looking at it right now that didn't get in there. So let's try and get in there. We are on the downside of the class ending. So we are in week 5, a couple more weeks left more with. So let's get caught up there. For all, looks like I've graded all of the federal and state law enforcement agencies. The ones that have been submitted, those are very good. A couple you need to get those in. The midterms, I've graded those that have been submitted. Pretty good on those. Make sure you follow the instructions on there. There's some of you see I put notes on there. If that asks for 300 words in that one essay question, you need to have 300 words, or at least in that area. So, and the reflections, I've got most of those graded. For what I have left to grade, it'll either get done sometime tonight or sometime tomorrow. As you know, using Sunday nights, I'll have everything graded for you. That way you know where you stand in the class. So, okay, on that note, let's look ahead to week 5 over here. So, this week we're going to be covering ethics as opposed to relates and applies to the justice system. We're also going to be working on group projects again as well, and we're going to take a closer look at the 4th, 5th, and 6th Amendments. So on our discussion, we're going to go over searches without warrants and also cover search warrants. You will come up with some different examples of searches that can be done legally without a search warrant, as well as ones where you do have to have a search warrant. All right, your first assignment this week is the Week 5 U.S. Amendment Report, where you will use a template in the assignment instructions, and you'll provide information on the 4th, 5th, and 6th Amendments. You'll analyze these 3 amendments, identify the rights that each of them provides, as well as their role in the justice system, and then lastly, go over the one that you feel is most important and why. Okay, for this assignment, you can email it to me early by Tuesday, December 1st, 2020, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Submit it to me before being graded. So I will go over the assignment and make a few corrections if needed and tell you what's needed there that we can resubmit it and get a higher score. All right, so we have another group assignment, the Week 5 Career Group rough draft. So you're going to submit a draft of your Career Connect to me. I'll then provide feedback for you to use in the completing of it. For your final submission, week 7, remember this assignment just needs to be submitted by the group leader, but again, remember have all the names of the team members that worked on that assignment. Okay, and then you have your week 5 searches based on probable cause assignment due as well. You're going to go over 5 different scenarios listed in the assignment instructions and thoughtfully address each of them. And then you have a reflection. Remember, this reflection needs to be at least 150 words. And go over one of the topics we covered. It could be ethics in law enforcement, courts, corrections, along with the constitutional rights, 4th, 5th, or 6th Amendments, and describe how it relates to you in either your personal and professional life. So, as always, if you got any questions, reach out to me. You can email me. Usually respond to you that day or if not the next day. Or you call and text me, and calls and texts, you usually get a lot more faster response. So, good luck to all you in week 5.